Hi! In front of me is POCO M5S, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Settings. Then you need to click on About Phone section at the top and click on Device Name. Now you can type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Moon. And save your changes by clicking on the check mark at the top right corner, or discard them by clicking on X icon at the top left one. I will go with save though, so now when I click on this icon, as you can see, name of my POCO has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!